guys, today I'm going to show you how to create or generate the customer quotations. So go to the customers, right? We're going to find we have a lot of other informations, opportunity, reminder, contact, and the basic informations here. So here we go to the quotations. You're going to create a new quotation. The quotation will have a unit. What is our currency here? Opportunity. Maybe just now, what is our opportunities here, and then due date, maybe just the end of this month, and then we change this one to our short name SDCPL, because this character cannot be longer than 50 characters, so just make it shorter, right? So save. So we are going to have a quotations here, right? So the quotation here, you can have a lot of information here. Maybe just give the quotations with number can be auto-generate, but here we can just input like favor network. Yeah, so this is the total amount. The total amount is that we can go to generate automatically. Choose the product, and then what is the content is. And maybe for this one we need 40, for this one we should 5, and for this one 10. So you have all the product here. So this is automatically generated here. So you have all the product. So this is the product information we're going to have, and then how I could do is going to generate your PDF. The PDF you can generate from here, create PDF. Yeah, so this is a quotation generate. You can just go to download this one. So this is a quotation example. Later I will show you how to edit the quotation template, or you can just download from here. Just download. Then you are going to have the download quotation, and then print out, send to the customers. So besides this one, right, I'm going to show you this quotation. This is our first versions. There's no version, right? So we can go to have multiple versions of the quotations. Maybe just add one more product, and then price maybe for and then 1. Yeah, so this one will be going to have the second versions and create the PDF. So you have a second version of your quotations. So so this is the second version of the quotations. So this is how we're going to create the quotations, but the quotation PDF maybe not as what you want, right? So how can we going to customize this one? So customize this one, right? We go into the quotation here. We go to the set. The set here, right? We have a quote template, and then go to set the template. Here we already have one default one. So we add a template. We add a Word or Excel, depends on which one you like most. Maybe just use a Word one and add. You can download the template from here. The template is a quotation template, which means have all the data. Like you see, all the data are here. Maybe some are Chinese. Maybe how it's easy for you to change all the things for them. For here, change to product name, and for this one is price, and this is quantity, and then this is subtotal. Yeah, so for here, right, you just put the customer name, and then this is opportunities, yeah, and then this is a series number, this is total amount, this is product details, and then you can merge this one here, merge here, and then this is due date, and this is currency. And for this one, right, maybe you think this is not so beautiful. So what we can do is here, we're going to make this much more beautiful, right? So first one, we do not like the border here. We just make this no borders. And for here is it should be remarks. And then we make all the labels as border one, so distinguish the label and the content. And then, so for this one, we make this border as well. And then for here, we make this border. So this is like, for here, we want to add some of the backhand background. So make this background is blue, and then make the text color as white. Beautiful one, yeah. But this one is right. You can always going to change this based on your own company styles, right? For this one is some comments. Actually, we do not need this one here. We just delete. And at top of this one, right, we want to add some of our logos, right? So what we do is we can choose from our existing libraries here. Then maybe you're going to find the eteams logo here. Yeah, put the eteams logo here. Yeah, it's too big, make it smaller, and then put the name Weaver Network International PDE FTD. So make this one is much more professional. So I always add, you need to add some header and footers, right? So make it border and the picture a little bit smaller, and then this one we could is customer quotation, and make the font size a little bit larger, and maybe just put 24, and then border this one. Make it border, and if you do like the font family, change the font family, maybe as your own font families, and then we make this adjustment, and then we have all the styles added here, right? Then I just save as a different name, save as a customer quotation, and save to download, and then we upload this template, right? One more thing is, do not change this one, because this is the data we get from system. When you generate the PDF, the system will be automatically get all the information from the eteams. So we go back to upload the customer quotation. Give the name is customer quotation new. So everybody can use this one. I maybe I just put all the people can use this one, and then carry out. So, and we do not want to use the old one. We just disable this one, right? Disable this one, and then we have the new template. We go back to the quotation here. So we go to the latest one here. This one, right? So we want to add the price. Maybe they do not want 40, maybe it's just 34, and then confirms. So this is a new quotation. We need to create a new one. Yeah, so you're going to have a new one here. So the new quotation is already changed to the new quotation template here. So you can download this one to your printer, print out and send to the customers. So this is how we're going to create the quotations. The quotation is always like, you can customize columns here, right? If your quotation, right, you want to have more information, you can just add more there. Maybe just maybe just you want to have a unit save. Yeah, so when you add it, right, you can always going to give some like the SGD or CNY or some things. For here, right, you can always have link items as well as customer opportunity. You can always to do here, and of course, right, for here you can add some comments, add someone. Maybe please help to check the quotation. Help to check the quotation. Yeah, so you can send. So Ken will be going to have the notification to review this quotation here. So you have different versions here, and you can always going to manage all the things here. So that's all for today's how going to create a quotation for customer. Thank you.